Hey everybody, Noah here. I thought I would make a short video talking about the differences between a SaaS and just running a website. Because mostly in bootstrapper circles, SaaS is kind of like the high standard, the high goal, for indie hackers, make a SaaS that has recurring revenue. And that's great and that's awesome. I think it is probably one of the best business models out there. But with my recent, acquisition of a website and just kind of running a website that's, it's not a SaaS in itself, Uniswap.fish, I've had a lot of fun with it. And I don't know, I thought I'd just talk about a little bit of the differences I've seen. One of those main ones being that, I do have users per se, like I have all these people coming to my website every day. But I don't have users in that I don't have really any customer support that I have to do, which is really kind of a nice feeling. Like I feel like when running a SaaS, like that's kind of the main drag, that like you're spending a decent amount of time helping customers use your software, use your tools. Where with a website like I'm running, it's like I don't really have to talk to anyone if I don't want to, which is kind of nice. I like to talk to people. Like I am talking to users to try to learn from them and kind of figure out what I want to build, but it's kind of like on my terms. Like I can just kind of reach out to them when I want to. It's not like I have all these people reaching out to me, which is kind of nice. I think with a website, it probably is harder to make revenue, but I'm figuring it out and having a lot of fun with it. I almost feel, and this is also kind of because I acquired a website that already has a decent amount of traffic. I feel like I have all these numbers and I'm just like trying to figure out how to like funnel people in the right things to make money. It's kind of a different problem, and it's a little bit of a marketing problem, but just trying to make money off of all these people I have already coming to this website. It's kind of a fun problem that I've really been enjoying, which just is a very different problem from a SaaS, where it's like you're just trying to get a couple people to buy this thing. And actually, I'll even show you if you jump on to the website here. So this is uniswap.fish. This is kind of the calculator where you can kind of like calculate things, and people are using this in crypto. But this is some of the new stuff I've done, where on the right here, I have these different affiliates or ads that I can put up. It's really fun to watch the numbers. I have like these events that get triggered to see like how many people are seeing these, how many people are then clicking on them, and just kind of learning like what's working, what's not working, kind of learning like what my user kind of audience group is and like their niche and like what kind of things they care about. And so when you have a lot of numbers to throw at stuff, it's just kind of interesting how you can play around with a website and just change, some pixels, and something can go better or not as well. It's just kind of a fun way of doing a business, and I'm really enjoying it. So for some of these reasons, I think that building a website that has a decent amount of traffic is, it could really be a good way to go for an indie hacker, where you can build a business that's pretty passive, like potentially more passive than a SaaS. And you just got to find the right niche to kind of build it on. And of course, ultimately, we'll see if I get there, but my plan with this is eventually to build a SaaS around it. But I might not get there for a little while. And so it's just kind of fun figuring out how to make a website work with the different revenue models there, with like ads and affiliates and different things you can do just with the website. So I've been enjoying it and thought it'd be interesting to kind of pull out some of the differences between a SaaS and a website. So if you have any other things you think I've missed, or questions, or something that you disagree with, reach out in the comments below and I'd be glad to argue with you.